Recipe from Heel. This is very unique. Stay tuned.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So, you think what is that? Basically from Darjeeling this year, 2025. I don't know when I am going to upload this video, but I bought this thing. This is a veggie actually, a root. I bought this veggie from Darjeeling Gorkhehat. You can get anywhere in North Bengal and Darjeeling also. I was asking them what is that. They told me this is, it's kind of sweet potato, mishti aloo, but this is not mishti aloo. What they do peel off the skin, and I will show you in the recipe like how to prepare this recipe. So the name of the recipe is Simal Tarul ki Torkari. Matlab I will prepare this recipe, I will make a curry with this. Otherwise, we Bengali or anybody, we do the potato or aloo shedo. What they did, they told me you can peel off the skin, and after that you have to boil this one seat in the pressure cooker, and then with mustard, mirchi and salt, you just mash it properly and have it with rice. But I am going to prepare Simal Tarul ki Torkari. I am just fumbling, so I am very excited. Finally, I am going to try this, and right now, whoever is seeing this recipe, whenever you are going to Darjeeling or some places, just in the roadside you can see people are selling this. So this is very cheap in price, and you can try this recipe. So chalo. So Simal Tarul is there, and now what I have to do, as in Gorkhehat the lady told me that I have to remove this skin like this, and I will get this white portion, and then I have to give one sitting in the pressure cooker. And she said that if I am cooking for this curry or sabji, then you don't need to give any sitting, you can directly cook it, but I think I have to give it because it's hard. So I won't take any risk, and I'll come back. So what I have to do, I have to peel this skin like this. So it's very easy. The lady told me that if you want to have this boiled like sweet potato, then you have to give one sitting in the pressure cooker. And if you're making any curry, you don't have to do it. But I can see it's hard. That's why I won't take any risk, and I will cut it into small pieces, and I'll give a sitting pressure cooker per boil. And then I will cook, so it will cook faster. So I'll use this portion. Let's start with the ingredients. As I said, cassava or this Simal Tarul, I just boiled it 2 sitting. Actually, I came from Darjeeling long back, and now it is hard. So I have this potato, and I will cook it in mustard oil. This is a fresh coriander and chopped tomato. So I have this salt and turmeric powder, chopped garlic and ginger slice, and this is green chili. Actually, it is red right now, and the spice. So this is the Paanch Foran. You can use the Bengali one. I bought this Paanch Foran, that is from Gorkhehat. So most of the recipe they are using this kind of Paanch Foran. So let's go to the recipe. First, heat the karai and add some mustard oil. Now add Paanch Foran. Now I will add this tomato. And chopped ginger, garlic and red chili or green chili. Now add salt and turmeric. Cover it. And now I will add this Simal Tarul. And now I will add this potato. Mix it well. Add some water. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. The smell is so good. Let me check if it's little bit done or not. It will take time. So I will cover it, and then again I'll go back. So it won't be much gravy, what we call in Bengali makha makha. Now I will add this coriander. Mix it properly. These foods are, I can say comfort food. Really very nice and easy to prepare. So I will cover it, and I'll come back. Let me check if it's done or not. Yes. done. So Simal Tarul ki Torkari is done. Simal Tarul ki Torkari is done and ready to serve. I will have it with rice. You can have it with roti also. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. And this is the first time I am sharing back-to-back recipes from here, because this year I tried so many unique sabji or veg from Darjeeling. So if you want to place food order, you can definitely check it in Google or Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, and you can always check Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram also. And for candle, definitely go for this MaddyBee, that is in Facebook. You can have it in Google. But right now I am going to enjoy this comfort food what you are waiting for.
Buy this veggie if you're visiting North Bengal.